Welcome back to the channel, y'all. In this video, I'm gonna share with you guys the TGI Fridays boneless chicken bites honey barbecue. Alright, there you go right there. Now this is what it look like outside the sauce. Look kind of just like like it says, some boneless chicken bites or whatever going on there. Alright, now let's taste one of these outside of the sauce and see what it tastes like. Here we go. Tastes pretty decent. Okay. Outside of sauce, guys, it tastes okay. Alright, now I'm going to put some sauce on it. You roll it around with the sauce. That's what it looks like in the sauce. Alright, now let's hit it and see what it tastes like. Better in the sauce. In the sauce, I'll give it a 5. Without the sauce, I'll give it a 2. Definitely tastes better with the sauce. It's good with the sauce. Man, whole different story. With the sauce on it, it's good. They're good. I'm giving this, with the sauce, a 5 out of a 5. Once again, without the sauce, I give it a 2. Without the sauce, it just ain't good. Sauce just changed the whole game around. Like, a complete 360. And I think these was like $4 and something. Yeah, $4 and something like that. Seemed like I had these before. I'm not sure, but it just seemed like I have. It had been a while. I think you can get the buffalo ones, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, you get the buffalo ones and others. Now, some people probably take these, put ranch across them. No, but I'm telling you guys now, it tastes better with the barbecue sauce. So, they crunchy, crispy. They're good. I'm kind of surprised that they are this good. So, that being said, guys, like I said, I'm giving a 5 out of a 5 with that sauce, man. And I'm pretty sure everybody going to use the sauce. So, it is what it is. So, anyway, y'all, give these a try. I picked these up at Walmart. TGI Fridays boneless chicken bites honey barbecue. Y'all give them a try, man. They good. Put that sauce on them, I'm telling you. Don't eat it without the sauce. Put that sauce on them. That sauce make them good. Alright? When that sauce is like, it just changed the whole game around 360. Till next time, man. I'm out of here. Peace.